This assessment asks us to rank the following alkenes in order of stability. Alkenes are stabilized by hyperconjugation from neighboring alkyl groups. Therefore, the most stable alkene will be the most substituted alkene that benefits from the most hyperconjugation stabilization. That will be this tri-substituted alkene here. This will be the most stable alkene. The least stable alkene then is the one that is least substituted and has the least amount of alkyl groups. That would be the monosubstituted alkene. The other three alkenes are all di-substituted, so how do we rank the stability of the di-substituted alkenes? Their stability is ranked based on sterics. The most stable alkene has the alkyl groups as far apart from each other as possible, and that would be the trans version of the alkene here. This would be the second most stable alkene in this list. The next most stable is going to be a 1,1 disubstituted alkene. This alkene is the next most stable in terms of steric hindrance, and the cis alkene is going to be the least stable of the disubstituted alkenes. This is the stability ranking for these 5 alkenes.